Hello everybody, just a real quick update on my Hisense shop AC unit I installed a couple years ago. As you can see, I've thrown everything at it, including the kitchen sink. So we'll go inside and see how well it's doing. We'll see what the temperature is outside. It's quite hot. Don't know exactly what it is till I get in there. So we'll just do a old school quick and dirty YouTube video. Door is unlocked for once. Feels mighty nice in here. Mighty nice. Oh, there's an update on that coming soon. Might remember those, but the main thing, it's 69 degrees inside and 111 degrees outside. That's pretty good for just a shoehorn ghetto job. And of course, still the same controller setup sitting on the frame. It works, so good enough for me. That's how well it's doing. I think that's quite acceptable. Of course, it went up a little bit with me standing right here, but I can live with that. Thank you for watching.